This is Honeywell's VisionPro touchscreen thermostat configured for programmability mode. Since it is configured for programmability, we can see that the schedule button appears on the bottom left. So to set our schedule, actually to view our schedule, we'll hit the schedule button and the current day is checked along the top, and we can see the current periods that are programmed, and we can see the fan mode, the time for that period, and the temperatures that are associated with that period. We can click on the other periods to view those. Now we cannot edit the schedule from this screen. There are no edit buttons that show up, so in order to edit the schedule, we have to hit the edit button, and it comes up and tells us that it is okay to select multiple days. So if we want to have multiple days with the same schedule, for instance, if we want to have Monday through Friday to be the same schedule, then we will check each one of those days along the top. We'll select the period that we want to program. I'm going to start with the wake period. We can set the fan mode for what we want the fan to do during that period. We can set it for on auto circulate. You might want to have the fan run continuous while you're home for better air circulation. Then we'll set the time that we want that period to take place, and then we'll change the temperature for what we want the temperature to be during that period. Then we'll go on to the next periods. We can set a time for that period. If we don't want that period to take place, we can just hit the cancel period and it goes away. Once we set each one of those periods, then we can hit the done button to save those changes, or we can hit cancel. But we're going to go ahead and hit done and save those changes. And if we want to select other days to schedule, we'll just repeat the process with those days.